Hi everyone, welcome back to AVQs. So we're going to go straight to correction of exercise 3. For exercise 3, turn the game to you. So I'm going to read back exercise 3. Exercise 3 is using the GCE notation, write the electronic configuration of the following elements. Well, aluminium, fermium, 30. So aluminium, 8 we fill the subshells. The first subshell is 1s, marine, 1s2. We got it, the S orbital take a total of 2. The P subshell take a 6. The D take a total of 10. The F takes a total of 14. So 1s2, given as an S orbital, it takes a total of 2 electrons. Okay. After S, we're going to 2s plus 2s2, 2p, 2p6, 3s, here's 2, 3p1. I'm following the outside. 1s, 2s, 3p, 3f, 3e. So we're going to locate this element on the periodic table. So the element is pi in period. Remember when I told you about the period? The period is the highest quantum number. The highest quantum number. The highest quantum number here is the group 3 also. Why it is a p block element. So the p electron is 1 plus the s electron, which is 2. Shows that 1 plus 2 is 3. So go to the next element, potassium 19. Start picking the orbitals. 1s2. Follow this path. 1s2, then go on to 2s2. We'll keep on following the arrows. Go on to 2p6. After 2t6, 3s1. Gives 2, sorry, we call it s3. Let's count the number of electrons. 10 plus 2. That's 12. But we're not yet reached 19. We'll continue. 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. We realize that potassium is an S block element. An S block element is an element whose last valence electron enters the S subshell. In this case, the highest quantum number is 4. That's why it belongs. If you have 4, group 1. Group 1. Remember, the group is written in Arabic, in Roman numeral, while the period is written in Arabic numeral. Manganese is transition metal. So manganese is a transition metal. And so the electronic configuration for manganese will be written using the argon curve. So put argon. Argon is 18 electrons. Period 4s. Argon is 18 electrons plus 2. That's 5. Out of 35, positive 5. 5 electrons. So those are the electronic configuration of the element using the SBTF notation. In this case, this is a contracted form of the electronic configuration. All that I take a double gas, argon is 18 electrons. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned on EduFuse for more exercises.